Welcome to another video on my Arduino Mega2560 Series 2. Well, second series of videos, not second version of the Arduino Mega2560. Connected to breadboard with some electronics being switch, transistor circuit with resistor and inductor, including two LEDs. And when I press the button, this happens, and this burns brightly, that one less brightly. Connected to an oscilloscope, which shows influence of the pulse width modulation coming from here. Last time I had the intention to try to get a backlash voltage. Didn't work out yet. However, this time I want to get back to an old idea of mine, making use within Octave mathematical package to get your Arduino package working in that. There's a new version out, and I want once again try what the use of it is. Can I use it again, or can I use it better? So since this is not doing much except for some oscilloscope readings, let's see for the software and how that works out. So tool setting version 2 series 2, something simple, continuous loop of writing 128 pulse width to, well, the circuit. And like I showed, pressing the button shows this on the oscilloscope. But what does it do in Octave? That is the main question. This is doing nothing, because there's nothing written to output. For that to actually show something, I could read something, which actually would be a nice idea to give maybe some backlash output. See if something actually does work, although I am already measuring that with this. So pushing the button gives on the second line that pulse width influenced voltage, but I can hardly call that a backlash. Anyway, going to Octave in that case, right here, it is loaded with the new package, new version of the package, and here I have the whole content. So connecting to an Arduino, known Arduino board types, yeah, nice. So I need to do something like this. Okay, last time that didn't work out very much. If at all. No Arduinos found. So I know that it is working. Okay, let me do it somewhat different then. Alright. This one out, this one in. I want to say something on the Arduino. So let me just say serial.print, I don't care, testing something, go, and now I have something. Okay, let's make it with a line test. Very simple, and there it goes. Correct baud rate. Boring, but it works. So, if I have then captivated this line, then let me select another one. This one. This will break anything, because now there's nothing, which is correct. Does this work then? Because the line is now actually free. Still nothing. Alright, then I'm doing something different, because I will disconnect and reconnect. Reason for that is that now I hold the line. So, alright, if I reconnect, I reconnect. Do I have serial monitor? Yeah, I do. Okay. I can test it in another way as well. T2I. No, it is root. It is not my ownership anymore. I don't own it anymore. It's root again. So I can apparently read it. I can't write it. Okay, that's the difference. How about now? Nothing yet. Okay, let me test this one, because it still says it is there. ACM 0. Okay. Copy. Paste. Absolutely nothing. And this was the exact same result as some time ago. Now I can also use this one, but I don't think that will happen or anything like that. It is programmed. The question is, do you have to have it programmed via Octave or also like this? And I think there is the big problem. How do I not get the things working? Because right now also, looking here, alright, let's press it. still works. Yes, because it's programmed. Or do I have to give it a serial ID? No, that's just for communication, is my guess. So I think this, okay, hardware setup. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, cannot find an Arduino binary. Oh, that's interesting. Installing and loading. I did that. I just did that. Yeah. So, no, that is too fast. Arduino is loaded. So instrument control is loaded as well because Arduino is a dependency of instrument control. So that's alright. So the strange thing is then, what am I doing wrong? And they can do. This is the one I'm using. So this also means that I can't use the Arduino Uno, I can't use the Mega2560. I can only use the Uno and the 2560. At least that's because I have those. But this is of no use since, I have completed this step. This step is not even working. The Arduino, oh, look at that. Should be closed. Okay. Alright. Then. Okay. Is that my big problem? No. No. And no. There is no single change, even though I closed the whole IDE. So even now, alright, and that shows that you shouldn't jumpstart anything, you should start from the beginning. And a temporary project will be created with and the IDE will open. Okay. Arduino binary. I have the Arduino binary in a specific directory. So Arduino binary should be a named path. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Who knows? How nice, how nice. Oh wait, I should do this. Invalid input. Return value. Right. Should I use the binary? I guess so. No, yeah, the name and the path of the binary. It still has no clue. It has no clue. Okay, never mind. This is clearly going to take a very long time. Alright, next few attempts have been done, let me put it that way. Regarding the syntax error that I get, cannot find the Arduino binary. Can I find it? Well, I have gone to the directory to make it easier, but even then it can't do anything. Let me try one thing. I am now in the correct path actually. So and it still can't find it. No Arduinos found on serial scan. So actually this means that when I am in the correct directory for the binary, it finally finds it, but apart from that it cannot find the Arduino. And yet this shows it is there, connected, and this one shows it is actually working. So lesson learned, I have to go to the directory, because when I just give the path it really doesn't find it. So this is a little bit better, and I have to give at least one library, and wire is one of them. Not that I have to use it, because I'm not using a library right now. Just plain old pulse modulation from one port, in this case port 2. But this is not working out. And I have to assume that serial scan means indeed USB, because this is universal serial bus. There is a serial which is right here. There are actually multiple connections. And this here is TX0 and RX0. TX for transmit, RX for receive. This is, if you look here at the screen, this is really authentic serial connection. But you are supposed to use this USB connection. So that's the weird thing. Documentation says fire up the IDE. Set the board type. Okay, well, let me just fire it up. I don't care. And this one closed, this one closed. Fire up. Yes. Well, I have set the board type here, clearly, and I have set the correct port here, clearly. Get board info. Well, I guess that this is the correct board then. Have I ownership? The answer is still no, but they don't say to take ownership of the interface, that is. But after that, set the port up and press the upload. Sources will be compiled. Okay. I will do so. Done uploading. Close. Close the IDE. Go to Octave. And A4 or AR for Arduino. No Arduinos. Which basically means it is once again not working. Following it to the letter. It can't even find the binary when I'm inside the directory. Look here. I am inside the directory. So, end of story for now. Once again. Unfortunately. Right. This is a very well. It is an experiment. Not very successful. Not successful at all. Even. Nothing changed to the code, to the algorithm, apart from one use of the monitor. So I can see something happen. This is still working. Yep, both are working. But the main focus was getting it to work in Octave. Okay, I did make a few mistakes in the beginning. Learned something that I had to go to the library, to the directory where Arduino IDE is based, but for the rest it doesn't work. It doesn't see the Arduino, and that's my main concern. Why doesn't it? This is serial, that is serial. It says nowhere that I have to use this. So for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Maybe I'm doing something wrong and that you say, oh, this is the solution. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Make a small donation if you like what you see via PayPal or Wire. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. This is going to be continued with or without Octave. Once again, thanks for watching.